What is the street like? What is the village like? What is the city like? What is the road like? What does she do? What does he do? What does your mother do? What does your father do? Where does she work? Where does he work? Where does your mother work? Where does your father work? What does he look like? What does she look like? What does she look like? What does he look like? What does your mother look like? What does your father look like? What does your brother look like? What does your sister look like? What is your hobby? When do you watch TV? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? What does he do in the morning? What does she do in the morning? What does your father do in the afternoon? What does your mother do in the evening? Where does she go on Saturdays? Where does he go on Saturdays? Where does your mother go on Saturdays? Where does your father go on Saturdays? What does she do on Sundays? What does he do on Sundays? What does your sister do on Sundays? What does your brother do on Sundays?